Alright, so after you've gotten your handles put on, you can go ahead and start assembling everything else. As you can see, I've got the handles on and they are pinching underneath right here. So when the stuff gets, or when the handle gets screwed together, it actually pinches your board and it locks it in place right there. I went ahead and attached the face of it with 4 nails, and that was basically just to hold it while the glue dried in that joint right there. And I also went ahead and had 4 45-degree blocks cut right here, and those were all attached using glue and brad nails to hold those in place. And I've got the hole in the back right here. I'll eventually cover this portion and cut another hole and maybe use it for dust collection. I've already tested it out a little bit on this board right here. As you can see, it's kind of got, maybe you can't, yeah, there you go, you can see where I stopped it right there, and it works pretty good, but nothing really was flying out the back side of it like I thought. Most of it was coming out of the bottom side. So I'm gonna go ahead and see how that works. Now this is just a very basic fence. This will get anybody by. I'll be doing another video of making it more advanced by having a different face on it that we'll actually go ahead and make our own T-track on there, and we'll include stop blocks, and I'll eventually cut a groove in there for a metal T-track, because I didn't plan on that at the very beginning. So I'll route a groove in there, put a T-track in there as well. We'll put the T-track up here. We'll make the bottom portion for 0 clearance, so both sides will be able to move, and then that should finish up with a very good router fence. But this is a very basic router fence on a very simple built router table that you can catch the video for last week. But this coming week, I'm going to be planning on making the handles for the drawers. I'm going to fire up the forge and create some handles for those, and also make a $1 draw knife. So make sure you can check out the video for next week, and stay tuned for a video on a more advanced router fence. So we'll see you guys later.